Alright, YouTube, got another one for you here today. I'm sure all of y'all have seen one of these wire strippers, but I got into an argument with my father-in-law because I told him that these right here were for cutting off screws, and he told me that I was crazy. He's been using these things since before I was born. And that ain't what they're for. They're for cutting wire. And I said, well, how can you explain these holes being threaded right here? So I'm going to take it and I'm going to show you what I showed him, just in case you didn't know. So we got our screw loaded in there for our cabinet door that we need to trim. Like I told you, it's threaded. So, more or less, whatever you need. Then, see if I can do this one-handed. Do it in this cup so it don't go flying everywhere. That's pretty good considering my left hand. And there we go. Cuts it off nice and clean. So there you go. You need to cut small screws, soft screws. That's what these are for. This is actually, these numbers represent the type of screw and thread pitch that it is. So that's the size and the threads. 32 threads per inch, 24 threads per inch. So there you go. Hope it helps. And I didn't realize that some people didn't know what these holes were for. So now you know.